Hello everybody. Today we are going to be treating some sterling silver. We will be treating it with nitric acid, so this is my disclaimer. Danger: do not handle these chemicals without knowledge of what they do. And these chemicals produce dangerous and deadly vapors and fumes. If you do not take the proper precautions and safety equipment worn when necessary, it could cause severe injury, bodily disfigurement, or death. We're going to do 650 milliliters of nitric acid. The reaction is going to start as soon as the acid hits the silver.
Keep your face back.
See it fuming?
That's not going to help.
The reaction is going to start immediately.